Canadian national anthem is called O Canada. The lyrics were originally written in French by Adolphe Basile-Routhier in 1880. The music was composed by Calixa Lavallee, a well-known Canadian composer. The English lyrics were penned in 1908 by Robert Stanley Weir, with several revisions made over the years. O Canada is sung at major national events, sports games, and official government ceremonies. It represents Canada's pride, unity, and diversity, highlighting its natural beauty and strength as a nation. Learning to play O Canada on the piano is a beautiful choice, as it allows you to connect with the heart of Canadian culture and patriotism. This iconic anthem, with its powerful melody and rich emotional depth, is perfect for developing your musical skills while honoring a piece of national heritage. Playing O Canada not only enhances your understanding of harmony and timing, but also inspires a sense of pride and unity as you bring its stirring notes to life. Whether performing for an audience or enjoying it personally, this anthem is a rewarding piece to master. Practice the C major significant scale before trying to play the tune. Scales help you become comfortable with the notes used in the piece. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. By carefully following the provided musical notes and their precise timing, you'll be able to bring the melody to life with ease. Each note is paired with its correct rhythm, guiding you step by step. With consistent practice and attention to these notes with timing, you will be playing the melody smoothly and confidently in no time. We hope you loved exploring this musical piece and are inspired to keep your piano journey alive and thriving. Try playing the melody yourself, and if you have any questions or need guidance, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you're always in tune with our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more exciting tutorials coming your way.